Hello, y'all. Well, I don't know why I keep saying that. I went to this one place called Cracker Barrel, and there was these boys and ladies who went, "Hello, y'all." So now I know you guys wanted me making a video with a sound, so I am. Just give me one quick second. I need to talk to my sister. Alright, I'm back. So let's get started. I know you guys wanted me to do this. I know my sound on my vehicle is off. I do not want a stereo mix because some people can't hear me with my vehicle because I have my volume so loud. Sometimes so small, but yeah. But today I'm going to be driving this Thomas Safety NSC2 2009 by Grayson. No, not Grayson. I was thinking of this safety on here. The Thomas 2 second generation, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, second generation. But this one, I don't know what generation this is, but yeah, but this is a private bus. Please don't ask for it. Let's go ahead and drive it. Drive. Oh shoot, I just turned off the phone. Ooh, very loud. Maybe I hear this. I don't know. I'm gonna preview this video, see what's happening. And yeah. So everyone in my quiet. I'm talking to one of my siblings that are in the room that are really annoying, and I'm not really talking. So we're just gonna be running around doing this quick speed. I'm not gonna do any stops today with this bus. We're gonna do something else that's really fun. You see that little ramp right there? That little circle through. We're gonna be going over there. We're gonna be trying to ramp that baby. If we can, then I will definitely. I want everyone to give a thumbs up and subscribe, just so we can get more subscribers, because I only have 5 at the moment. But anyway, yeah, it's very cold where I am now. It was raining yesterday. I just got back from Florida, and I don't know what that's doing. Well, seems like you guys are seeing me having a conversation. I don't know if Chris is that what? I don't know if that was statue. I don't know. Be quiet, Joe. Yes. Let's see if we can make it up the ramp. Let's see. We're gonna not make it. Not gonna make it. I can so tell. Oh no. Oh.